Uba Charles Marngar udkhot ke ying dorbar thau ain ke jilla na ka Indian National Congress namau hati constituency ula banjur halor ki kamrep kamriang jong ki pajba Nongrep khamtam ki Nongrep sensar. Utei udkhot ke ying dorbar thau ain ke jilla ula banjur halor ke rep sensar bat ai jumut baka sorkar kan thaulan ban bu no de ki karkhana na ka Bynta utei umarrem bat kumjuru ki wei ki marrep kum using shenrai somarin bat ki wei Haba jubab ikani ka menteri ki kamrem ka Dr. Mezel Amperin Lingdo kala pensyai baka sorkar kadang ya syakmat ban penteri kam ki skim baper bat halor ka jingbu ki karkhana kate ka menteri kala ong bakan sashim kya laru ban kedo bu ba Charles Marngar ulaya site naga bentai ki Nongrep ban penlait naga jingsha knyot dor haga dor yo dor han bat ban penim yeki kumba ki latre shitom naga benta ka kamai ka kaji ka jongki.
Honorable Speaker, sir, reply to star question number 50A. Sir, 1. The department is implementing various central and state schemes for the setting up of agri-processing infrastructure in the state, including the Pradhan Mantri formalization of micro-food processing enterprise schemes and the Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana. In marketing, sir, the department has under various interventions for facilitating marketing of agriculture and horticulture produce in the state. 3, sir, minimum support price has not been implemented in the state. However, various marketing initiatives are being implemented through cooperatives and other collectives to support farmers, sir.
Now, supplementary question, please. Charles Manna.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to thank the Honorable Minister in charge for the reply. My first supplementary question is, may I know from the Honorable Minister in charge whether the state government has any plan to set up skill industries to produce sweeping broomstick?
So government has initiated certain schemes for broomstick as well, but I will require notice as to whether or not it would be converted into a large-scale industry.
So I have one suggestion. Today the price of broomstick is rupees 100 and 100 plus per kg. But if the government can set up skill industries, we can make 3 number of sweeping broomstick from 1 kg of broomstick. 1 sweeping broomstick, if we sell in the market at the rate of 200 rupees each, so the farmer will get 600 rupees per kg. So my suggestion is to the Honorable Minister in charge to kindly take any steps for setting up skill industries to produce sweeping broomsticks, sir.
Point noted, sir.
One supplementary question, sir. May I know from the Honorable Minister in charge, what is the role of marketing board in helping the farmers, be it vegetables, fruits, ginger, broomstick, bay leaf, black peppers, etc.
So the marketing board in the state of Meghalaya, sir, has been already initiated, and in the marketing board, sir, we have facilitated on behalf of the farmers certain facilities. These facilities, sir, primarily will enable farmers to bring their produce to the marketing board, and we provide storage facilities. We have godowns. We also have auction and grading platforms. So this is located in Maoyong, and yes, certain producers are now being marketed and enabled through this platform. We have potato, ginger, broomstick, despati, resin wood and some other products. So sir, yes, we facilitate farmers, but that's about it. We've not been able to really ensure that all of these marketing facilities have been able to be adequately marketed on behalf of the farmers, sir, yes.
Thank you for the reply. I have one more supplementary question. May I know from the Honorable Minister in charge whether the state government have any system to check the deduction of farmer produce in the market?
So may I have some clarity on that broad question, please?
You may repeat the question.
May I know from the Honorable Minister in charge whether the government of Meghalaya have any system to check the deduction of farmer produce in the market?
Honorable Speaker, sir, yes, we are aware that there is a lot of manipulation on weighing systems in the current situation, and farmers are challenged to a large degree. We, as a government and as a department, have recommended certain weighing systems and have made it mandatory that weighing of producers of farmers should be done through correct weighing systems. So, sir, that's about it, sir. Yes.
Thank you for the reply. Sir, please allow me to give one suggestion. When the farmers sold their ginger of 100 kg, sir, the traders will deduct 10 kg out of 100. So, may I request my suggestion to the Honorable Minister in charge to kindly see and look into the matter for our beloved farmer in the state.
Yes, Honorable Speaker, sir, we are aware of that, and we are at the best trying to ensure that farmers are not cheated and farmers do not suffer losses because of the weighing mechanisms that are currently being implemented in their own